Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to control your playback speed in TikTok. Now let's open the app, and this video is playing normally. Now to control the playback speed, we're going to hold down on the middle of the screen and you see playback speed. When you tap on that, you can switch to 2 times 1.5 or 0.5 times faster. So if I click on 0.5, the video is gonna go very slowly. Let's hold back down on the middle of the screen. We're gonna select 1.5. That's a little bit faster than normal. Also, let's try going a little bit faster and click on 2 times. So this is super fast. This is the fastest speed it can go here on TikTok. Now let's change this back to normal because I'm going to show you the quickest way to do this. Now we're going to long press on either the left top side of the screen or the right top side of the screen. Either one, it works. So here I am holding down on the top left of the screen, and you can see it is going at the speed 2 times faster. Again, I'm trying it with the right side of the screen and it is still going 2 times faster. So that's simply it, guys. Very easy and very simple.